We'll guide you through how to give fade effect on text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on your keyboard. From a search results page, click Figma to access the design platform. After a few moments, the Figma main page will appear in your browser window. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. To give a fade effect to text in Figma, locate your recent projects on the dashboard and click the project you want edited. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open, displaying the design canvas and all available layers. Next, select the text layer that you want to apply the fade effect to. You can choose the text directly by clicking on it within the canvas area. Alternatively, if the text is difficult to select or hidden behind other elements, you can use the Layers tab on the left side of the screen and click the appropriate text layer from the list. After selecting the correct text layer, move your cursor to the right side of the interface where the Properties panel is located. Search for the Fill section, which controls the color appearance of the selected text. Click the color square underneath the Fill heading to open the color picker window. Once the color settings panel appears, select the gradient option to replace the solid color with a gradient effect. Next, click on one of the color points displayed within the gradient controls. After selecting the color point, locate the transparency slider in the color picker window. Drag the transparency slider all the way to the left to reduce the opacity of that color stop completely. This will create a smooth fade effect where part of the text gradually becomes transparent. To customize the direction and placement of the fade effect, use the Rotate Gradient option.